Hey everyone, I have another bike check video for you about my Juliana Maverick. But before I start, I'll tell you how heavy is the Jekyll, which was my last bike check video. So I got this scale. I'm gonna do it right now and show you, so you know I'm not making it up. Right. So that's on 0 now. Wheels off the floor. $10.66. Look at that. Hope you can see it. It is pretty light. So whoever was guessing around 10 was right. So I told you it's light. This is my new 2021 Juliana Maverick. It's the equivalent to Santa Cruz Hightower. The difference is that Juliana bikes are made for female riders, for lighter riders. It's got different shock tune, like a lighter shock tune, different seats and different grips. So this is the Carbon C S kit. They do 4 different kits for the Maverick. It's only available with carbon frames, unlike the Hightower, which is available in aluminium as well. So this one's the second one up. If you want better, different suspension, different wheels, you can have a look at the STIF website. There are the 4 different kits specified, so you can have a look. This one's worth about 5,400 quid. So the frame is built around 29-inch wheels. I have 150mm on the front and 140 at the back. So my forks are Fox 36 Performance, 150mm treble, and at the back I have RockShox Super Deluxe Select Plus, which is 140mm treble, and there is a flip chip in the frame, so you can change the geometry of the frame. I have it on the lower settings, and that makes the head angle 65.2 degrees. Maverick uses the VPP suspension linkage, which means virtual pivot point. The shock sits at the bottom and the center of gravity is basically lower in the frame. As of the cockpit, I have Burgtec bars, Burgtec stem, Juliana Grips, Code R brakes, which are brakes I'm using last few years on my enduro and downhill bikes, and STIF top cap. And I also have RockShox Reverb seat post. Now to the wheels. So they are race face AR30 offset rims, DT Swiss hubs. They're 29-inch size obviously, and I usually put Maxxis tires on. So these are the Minion DHR II with a 3C compound, front and rear, and I just put sealant in so it's tubeless setup. The drivetrain is completely SRAM Eagle. This includes the shifter, the cranks, the cassette and the Mac, and then I put my own Crank Brothers pedals on, the mallets, because I ride clips. There is a few protection features on the frame. There is a down tube protection at the front, which is made mainly for pickups, so it's probably more for American customers. Then there is a sump guard at the bottom of the down tube. There is a little mud guard at the back of the shock, and there's like a silencer for the chain so it's not slapping on your frame. I normally put stiff mud guard at the front as well, and I forgot to mention the Unite chain guide as well. Good news is that all the frame sizes of Maverick now fit a bottle cage. I normally use this side loader from Lazine, which also includes the pump holder. It started raining, so I think that's all I wanted to say. Let me know what you think, if you like it. Let me know what you think about the Commando green colour, and let me know how heavy you think it is as well. So I'll tell you in the next video again. Thanks for watching, bye! Fucking hell.